Hey everyone, welcome back to our HTML5 course. In this lesson, we'll be exploring the basics of HTML elements and attributes. These are the building blocks of every web page, and once you understand how they work, you'll be able to create more complex and interactive content. Let's dive right in. So, what exactly is an HTML element? An HTML element is made up of a start tag, content, and an end tag. For example, if we want to create a heading, we can use the h1 element. The h1 tells the browser that this text should be a large heading. The content inside the tags is what gets displayed on the screen. Simple, right? There are many different elements in HTML5, each with a unique role, and we'll be looking at some of the most common ones. HTML elements can be grouped into two main categories: block level and inline elements. Block level elements, like p and div, take up the full width of their container and stack on top of each other. Inline elements, like span and a, only take up as much space as they need and can sit side by side. Knowing the difference between these two types will help you control how your content appears on the page. Now let's talk about HTML attributes. Attributes provide additional information about HTML elements. For instance, if we have an img element to display an image, the src attribute tells the browser where to find that image file. Similarly, the alt attribute provides a description of the image, which is useful for accessibility. Attributes are always placed inside the start tag and help make elements more functional and interactive. Let's look at a few examples. The a element is used to create links, and the href attribute specifies where the link should go. The img element displays images, and the src attribute tells the browser where the image file is located. The alt attribute provides a description of the image, and the input element allows users to enter data, like text or numbers, using different types defined by the type attribute. Let's put what we've learned into practice by creating a small HTML5 page with some elements and attributes. We'll add a heading, a paragraph with a link, and an image. Follow along, and by the end, you'll have a basic page with some cool features. Let's see how each element and attribute helps our web page come to life. And that's it for this lesson. We covered a lot of ground today by learning about HTML elements and attributes. We now know how to structure content on a web page and add extra information to make it more functional. Keep practicing, and don't forget to play around with different elements and attributes to see what you can create. In the next video, we'll take a closer look at HTML5 headings and paragraphs. See you there.